Namaskara, Bangalore. I rehearsed something. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು.
ಜಾನ್ವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು
ನೋಡಿ
ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ
ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು.
ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡನ. ನಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಜಾನ್ವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜಾನ್ವಿ, 4th Peddi is releasing. So today we are here in Bangalore to promote Peddi version in Kannada. So tell us more about Bangalore connections.
I've spent a lot of time here. Firstly, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for giving us so much love. Please, on the 4th of June, when our film releases, come to the theaters like this because it's a very inspiring, special story. Thank you.
We all know ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಕನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಬಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡಕನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ, ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನ. ಬಟ್ ಜಾನ್ವಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪೆದ್ದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಗಾಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್?
That you have to ask Butchi sir only. That I had no contribution. He told me to do it and I did it. But now I do it in life also because it's very comfortable.
Did you like wearing it that way?
Yeah, I have started.
So, Janvi, do you want to share any moments that you shared with Shivarna?
You know, unfortunately, I only had one small scene with him. But in that small scene, I saw the power of him as an actor just through his eyes. And it was unbelievable. It's been a privilege to share even that one shot with him. And I hope in the future I get to work with you again soon, sir.
So, yella hudugirigoskara, only for girls. Could you please share your diet secret?
Diet secret. I'll tell you the best weight loss tip I can give you all. Try to do a song with Ram Charan sir. You will become skinny in half a day.
Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್, even if we are a bad dancer, then we lose weight, I'm sure. Next film, maybe we get a chance to dance behind
all of
him.
the dancers also, because we shoot for 4 days. By the 4th day, they are all looking smaller.
So that's the diet secret which Janvi shared with us. ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. We did see that kind of energy on that. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, Janvi. Thank you.